My name's Tessa with Driving Academy, one of the instructors here. Today we're going to be using a checklist to perform a pre-trip inspection on the bus vehicle. All right, we want to start with using our checklist. It says front of the engine area, which is green section here at Driving Academy. And we're going to start with lenses. So we point out and inspect all our lenses. We want to make sure they're clean, none broken or missing, and they are the proper color. Next on our checklist, we have our fluid levels. So that we'll consider is us opening up the hood using 3 points of contact, pointing out and inspecting all the fluids for a proper level when the engine is off. So we're going to open the hood up. You're going to unlatch both sides. All right, our hood is open. We're going to point out our coolant. This is our coolant. This is the sight glass. We want to make sure to never remove the cap when the engine is hot. We're going to point out our engine oil. This is the dipstick. And our power steering fluid. Point out the dipstick. Tell the examiner you would take both dipsticks, wipe them down, and recheck it for a safe operating range. All fluids should be between the add and full mark. Next on our checklist is fluid and air leaks. To get that completely corrected and checked off your list, you have to check there's no puddles here on the ground, no dripping fluids coming from or around the transmission or engine, and all our hoses and air lines are in good condition, no leaks. We're going to point out all our hoses and our air lines, and they're in good condition, not leaking. The last part of our green section is our steering system. We're going to point out and inspect our steering system and say the proper verbiage. We're going to point out and inspect our power steering hoses and connections. We're going to point out and inspect our power steering box. Our power steering box, securely mounted, not leaking. Now we have our arm links and rods. They're not cracked or worn, and we must check our joints and sockets. They're not worn or loose. And to conclude the green section of our pre-trip, all steering system has no missing nuts, bolts, or cotter keys. That was the end of the front of the engine area, green section of our pre-trip for the bus. Continuing on with the yellow section of our pre-trip, which is the steering axle. So we want to point out and inspect our tires. We want to check our tires tread for using a tire tread depth gauge. The front steering axle should have a minimum of 432. All other tires should have a minimum of 232 tread depth. We then want to inspect our tire conditions. We must check the tread and sidewalls for cuts, damages, bumps, or bulges to the tread and sidewalls. Then we want to get into tire inflation. With the tire inflation, we want to use a tire gauge to make sure all tires are in the pressure at 90 to 100 PSI. And we're going to check the valve stems. They're accessible, the caps are not missing, and the stem is not damaged or broke. Next on the steering axle yellow section of our pre-trip is rims. The rims you want to point out and inspect. They're not cracked, bent, or damaged. There's no welding repairs or rust trails. You want to make sure the rim bolt holes and studs are not elongated, and there are no loose or missing nuts or bolts. Next we have lug nuts. Lug nuts, we want to point out and inspect that they're all present. There is no rust trails or shiny threads on the lug nuts, and they're not loose, and the studs, they're not broken. Next on our checklist, we have spring mounts, airbags, and shocks. So you're going to point out and inspect those things. The leaf springs, we want to point it out. They're not cracked, broken, missing, or shifted. Then we have our spring mounts. We want to make sure they're not cracked, broken, or missing any parts. All right, guys, we want to continue on with our brake hoses and lines. We want to point it out and let the examiner know you're checking for crack, frayed, no leaks, or worn brake hoses and lines. And the couplings and fittings are secure. We also have our shock absorbers pointed out, make sure they're secure, not damaged or leaking. And then we want to make sure our bus is sitting level from front to rear and side to side, because all suspensions are good. So now we have our brake contaminants. We're going to point out our brake contaminants on the drum brake and brake lining. Make sure they're free of grease or oil, which may affect the braking capabilities. Guys, that was the end of the yellow section, our steering axle of our pre-trip of the bus. Okay, moving on to the side of our vehicle, which is the blue section on our Driving Academy pre-trip. We're going to point out and inspect our lenses and reflectors on the side. We want to make sure they're clean, not broken or missing, and they are the proper color. Make sure our reflective tape is present and secured to the vehicle. To our traffic monitoring devices, you want to point out and inspect the mirrors. They're clean, not cracked. Make sure the brackets are not bent. Everything's mounted securely, and there's no missing parts. And there's no cameras on this vehicle to check. We want to point out the batteries. You're going to find the battery, point it out, Make sure the door and batteries are secure. The connections are tight with no excessive corrosion. Make sure your cable lines are secure and not cracked or worn as well. So on the back of the bus, light lenses and reflectors, make sure they're clean, they're the proper color and none broken or missing, just like you check the front. You want to check the back door of your bus. You want to make sure it opens and closes properly from the outside. Seals are intact, and that's how you check the back door. The last couple things on the blue section of your vehicle pre-trip inspection is the frame. You want to point it out, tell the examiner you're checking for cracks. There's no broken welds or holes or other damages to the frame members of this bus. So last but not least, on our checklist, we have our fuel tank. We're going to point it out, let the examiner know that it is secure, the cap is on tight, and make sure there is no leaks from the fuel tank or the lines itself. All right, guys, so that concluded our pre-trip inspection for the bus. We used our checklist, we checked everything off, we pointed and inspected all our parts. So there you go. See you on the next one.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.